guys, Jody Husband here, Caldwell Banker Sun Country, and I am just reaching out because even though I'm a real estate agent now, I used to be a former teacher. And so I know that the teachers right now are struggling not being with their kiddos and not being able to give them the education that they need. So I wanted to do something to help out that I thought would be fun. So I went and got all of these materials. I got erasers and pencil sharpeners, some yummy treats, paper, stickers, crayons, and I want to do a writing challenge. So I'm going to give a writing prompt every week for kids that they can enter into a writing contest. And I will collect all of the papers and read them and look at them, and then I'm going to choose one winner from kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade, and that winner that week will receive a prize. So I'll give more details in a Facebook post, but right now what I wanted to do is I wanted to offer writing kits for kids that need them. So I have gotten all these materials, pencils, sharpeners, so you can sharpen your own pencil, which I know kids love to do. And I want you to contact me if you need a writing kit, and I will either mail it to you, or at Caldwell Banker Sun Country in Prineville, I will put a tub outside of our front door during our office hours from 8:30 to 5:30, and you can come and pick up your writing kit. So either message me, comment on this Facebook message if you would like a writing kit for your kiddo. Thanks, Jody.